Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends error code 30005. So basically the easiest way to do this is to just head over to your Steam, and simply from here you then want to look at Apex Legends, make sure that the application is closed, right click on it, click on properties, navigate through installed files, and just make sure that you verify integrity of game files. Now this will go ahead and basically fix all of the problems relating to the files, basically the corrupted files, missing and such. And from there you then want to try to launch it again and see if that works. Speaking of corrupted files, we also want to delete a EAC file that's basically corrupted. So we have to go ahead and remove that. First, you have to simply search for the easy anti-cheat application on your computer right here. But if you cannot go ahead and find it, you want to navigate through your Windows OS, head over to program files, go ahead and look for the easy anti-cheat, or you could also go ahead and navigate through the program files x86. We have the easy anti-cheat EOS, and then you want to delete the corrupted eos.sys file right here. So just go ahead and delete it, and right after you then want to verify the files once again, which will then replace it with a new one, and that will solve the whole issue. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.